Hey everyone, welcome back to the show where we learn English through real internet drama.
That's right. Today, we're diving into Reddit, probably the most chaotic place on the internet.
Reddit is full of stories, arguments, and slang you won't hear in textbooks. And trust me, today's story is wild.
Yes, we're looking at a crazy breakup post that went viral, and along the way, we'll explain all the English slang people used in the comments.
By the end, you'll understand phrases that native speakers actually use online, and you might even start spotting them in other places like TikTok or Twitter. Okay, here's the post that started it all. A user posted on r/relationships. My boyfriend of 3 years dumped me via text while I was at work. Am I overreacting for being devastated?
Immediately, Reddit exploded. Thousands of comments pouring in. Advice, sympathy, judgment, you name it.
Exactly. And right away, we see some slang that might be confusing if you're learning English online. First word, rant.
A rant is when someone complains at length, usually in an emotional way.
Example, I'm about to rant about my terrible day at work.
Reddit users often preface posts with, "Sorry for the rant," meaning, I'm about to complain a lot.
So when you see that in comments, it's just someone venting.
Next one, TMI, short for too much information.
It's used when someone shares something personal or graphic that others don't need to know.
In this Reddit thread, one commenter said, TMI about the breakup details, but I get it.
So if you see TMI online, it's basically saying, whoa, that's a little too much personal info for me.
Now, the post mentions that the breakup happened via text. This brings us to ghosting.
Ghosting is when someone suddenly cuts off all contact without explanation.
Example, I can't believe he ghosted me after 3 days.
And in the Reddit post, people were like, wow, that's classic ghosting behavior.
It's a very common term in online dating discussions. Next, you'll often see OP in Reddit threads.
OP stands for original poster, the person who wrote the post.
So someone might comment, OP, you deserve better, meaning they're addressing the person who shared the story.
It's kind of like saying, hey, person who started this story, but much shorter.
Now, the comment section got wild. People were using phrases like, yikes, big oof, that's sus.
Let's break those down. Yikes is an expression of shock or embarrassment. Example, yikes, that's brutal.
Big oof is internet slang for ouch or that sucks.
Sus comes from suspicious, meaning I don't trust this person or that seems shady.
All these phrases show how informal online English can be.
One Redditor even called the ex chuggy.
Chuggy, that's a fun one. It's a slang term for someone or something that is trying too hard to be trendy, but is actually outdated or uncool.
Example, wearing socks with sandals is chuggy.
So in the thread, some people were making fun of the ex using this slang.
Another interesting thing, Reddit users love shorthand.
Yes, things like IMO, in my opinion, IRIC, if I recall correctly, NSFW, not safe for work.
Example, in my opinion, OP deserves better.
If you're reading Reddit often, learning these shortcuts will help you understand the conversation quickly.
Besides slang, Reddit comments often use very casual emotional phrases.
I'm shook, shocked or surprised. I can't even, overwhelmed or speechless. Dead, something is hilarious, like I'm dead, meaning I'm laughing so hard I could die.
These are all informal but extremely common in online English.
If you use these in the right context, you'll sound very natural online.
So, if you're reading Reddit or watching TikToks, you might see, OP got ghosted. Yikes. Big oof. That's sus. I'm shook.
And now you understand. You could even reply, dead, that's brutal, OP.
Exactly. Learning slang like this makes you sound like a native speaker online.
The key is context. These words aren't formal. They're casual, often humorous, and very expressive.
All right, that's it for today. We learned a ton of English slang from a Reddit breakup story. Rant, TMI, ghosting, OP, yikes, big oof, sus, chuggy, shook, and dead.
Remember, online English is full of expressions that you won't find in textbooks. The best way to learn them, read Reddit, watch TikToks, or scroll through Twitter.
Next episode, we'll break down a viral Discord argument. Lots of slang and emojis involved.
You don't want to miss it. Thanks for listening.
Catch you next time. Keep learning, keep laughing, and keep scrolling.